Okay, so now level 3 is taking those equations and graphing them, so the opposite of level 2's. So if we take a look at number 1 here in level 3's, we can identify a couple things. Remember, y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope, and the b is the y-intercept. So in this equation here, our slope is going to be 2, and our y-intercept is going to be 0, 1. So I'm going to go ahead and plot the point 0, 1. That's the first thing you want to do. And then I'm going to use the slope 2, so up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I can also go down 2 and left 1, down 2, left 1. Since I'm going in the 2 negative directions, I'm continuing the slope of 2. So that's how you graph the line. So let's take a look down here at number 4. The problem with number 4 is that it's not in slope-intercept form. So we got to go ahead and do that, practice those skills that we learned in Objective 7, and get it into y equals. Okay, so here our slope is going to be 1/3, and our y-intercept is going to be at 0, negative 2/3. Now this is kind of a gross y-intercept, but we're going to do our best here. So negative 2/3 is less than 1, so it's in between 0 and 1, so I'm just going to estimate, and it's about there. So then I'm going to go up 1 and over 3. So there is my equation of your line. Okay, so with those, and when you have fractions as y-intercepts, just do your best and estimate it. Figure out what whole number it's in between. Okay, in number 5, we're looking at y equals negative 3x. So if this looks weird to you, let's go ahead and put a plus 0. So here, my slope is going to be negative 3, and my y-intercept is going to be at 0. So you're going to start at the origin at 0, 0, and then you're going to go down 3 and right 1 to continue that slope of negative 3. And last but not least, y equals 2. So again, this might look weird to you because there is no x, so let's go ahead and put a 0x in there. So this means the slope is 0, and the y-intercept is at 0, 2. So I'm going to go ahead and plot the point in 0, 2, and if I have a slope of 0, that means my line is horizontal. So a y equals line, anything with y equals will be a horizontal line. Anything that says x equals will be a vertical line. Okay? Go ahead and practice the level 3s now.